We made it to the middle of the week, but there's no time to take a breath. Let's get into Wednesday's AI News. The new security plugin for Claude Code hooks into every file edit, every model output, and every commit, and does deterministic pattern matching for the usual suspects. Anthropic say that internal testing cuts security-related comments on pull requests by 30 to 40%. You can install it with one / command, and in the first 24 hours, it cleared 157,000 downloads. Jakub Radzikovsky and Joseph Chen pulled recipes from 11 sources into an LLM-augmented pipeline and normalized the raw ingredient strings down to 1,790 canonical entries. They then trained 3 sibling embeddings, one from ingredient co-occurrence in recipes, one from shared chemical compounds, and a third that blends the two. The result is a tiny vector space where each ingredient sits next to its closest culinary and chemical neighbours. Useful for substitution engines, recipe recommendation, and cross-cultural cuisine analysis, the sort of thing food apps have been trying to do, but mostly faking with handwritten rules for years. The new Runway MCP server is a managed connector that exposes Runway's video and image generation to any MCP-compatible assistant. Sign in with your Runway account, and your agent can call Gen 4.5, Seedance 2.0, GPT Images, Kling, and the rest directly. For anyone already building agentic workflows, this turns video and image generation into a tool call. Need a product shot mid-building cursor? Just ask. MCP has gone from a niche Anthropic protocol to the default plumbing for agent tool access in 12 months. Every serious creative platform, Figma, Adobe, and now Runway, is shipping an MCP server. Pope Leo's MAGNIFICA HUMANITAS is a 235-page document and the Catholic Church's first major theological statement on artificial intelligence. Pope Leo presented it personally and invited Chris Olah, who leads interpretability research at Anthropic, to deliver remarks. Olah was unsparing. Every frontier lab, his own included, operates inside incentives that can conflict with doing the right thing. He called for people outside those incentives, people who care about things going well, to stand up. He framed AI models as grown rather than built, and mysterious even to those who train them, with patterns that mirror joy, fear, and grief. By any measure, 2026 is proving to be a pivotal year in AI. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you can go just one more step and support us by liking and sharing this video, we would really appreciate it.